big news is coming from Huawei, as the Huawei Mate 80 GTS has reportedly entered mass production. According to a well-known tipster, the device has stepped into the production phase at Huawei's Songshan Lake base. This is a strong sign that the official launch may not be far away. The same source suggests that the Mate 80 GTS could go official in April. It may launch alongside the Pura X2 foldable, making it a major event for the company. What makes this phone even more exciting is that it is rumored to be Huawei's first true gaming-focused smartphone. One of the biggest highlights of the Huawei Mate 80 GTS is its display. The leak claims that the device could feature a massive 7.2-inch screen. That would make it one of the largest displays ever seen in a Huawei smartphone. While the Mate 80 series already includes large high-end models, the GTS version could push things even further. The phone is also expected to use a dual-layer OLED panel. This is sometimes referred to as a tandem OLED display. Dual-layer OLED technology is designed to improve brightness, contrast, and overall picture quality. It can also help with better power efficiency and longer panel lifespan. Early reports suggest that Huawei may be the only brand in 2026 to use tandem OLED displays in its top-end phones and tablets. If that turns out to be true, it would give the Mate 80 GTS a clear advantage in display technology. For gamers and media lovers, a 7.2-inch dual-layer OLED screen could deliver a stunning viewing experience. Colors may appear richer, blacks deeper, and visuals more immersive. Combined with the large screen size, this could make the device feel almost like a small tablet when gaming or watching videos. Moving on to performance, the Mate 80 GTS is expected to use an improved Kirin chipset. Huawei is reportedly increasing the frequency of the medium and large CPU cores. In simple terms, this means the chip could run at higher speeds, delivering better performance for demanding tasks like gaming and multitasking. But performance is not just about raw speed. Heat management plays a huge role, especially in gaming phones. The leak mentions that the Mate 80 GTS could include a special cooling fan along with micro-pump liquid cooling technology. This setup would help keep the device cool during intense gaming sessions. Excessive heat can slow down a phone's performance and even affect internal components over time. By adding active cooling solutions like a fan and advanced liquid cooling, Huawei seems to be serious about making this a true gaming device. This combination could allow the phone to maintain stable performance without overheating, even under heavy load. Battery life is another important factor for gamers. The Mate 80 GTS is rumored to pack a large 6.750 mAh battery. That is a significant capacity and should provide long gaming sessions without constantly worrying about charging. A big battery paired with a power-efficient dual-layer OLED display could offer impressive endurance. Interestingly, the phone is also said to feature camera capabilities similar to the Mate 80 Pro. That suggests Huawei is not cutting corners on photography just because this is a gaming-focused model. Users may still get high-end camera performance along with powerful gaming features. At this point, all of this information is based on leaks, so it should be taken with caution. However, the fact that the device has reportedly entered mass production makes the rumors more believable. If the Mate 80 GTS truly launches in April, we will not have to wait long to see what Huawei has prepared. If these specs turn out to be accurate, the Huawei Mate 80 GTS could become one of the most powerful and unique smartphones of the year. With a massive 7.2-inch dual-layer OLED display, an upgraded Kirin chip, advanced cooling system, and a 6.750 mAh battery, it has the potential to stand out in both gaming and premium flagship markets. All eyes are now on Huawei as we wait for the official announcement.